This, you wake up one morning, unlock your Samsung phone after a new update, and suddenly everything feels different. Apps open faster. Your phone starts suggesting things you were about to do anyway. Your photos look better with almost no effort, and even your battery seems to last longer. No new phone, no new hardware, just a smarter system working behind the scenes. That's the promise of Samsung's upcoming One UI 8.5 update. While it may sound like a minor version change, the improvements rumored for this software suggest Samsung is quietly building one of its smartest updates yet. Before watching, please do not forget to subscribe our channel so that you can get notified on daily tech updated. Samsung introduced One UI to simplify Android and make large phones easier to use. Instead of cramming everything at the top of the screen, the interface was redesigned to bring controls closer to your thumb over time. Samsung continued refining this experience, adding smoother animations, better customization, and stronger privacy tools. Now with One UI 8.5, Samsung appears to be taking another step forward by making the software more intelligent and more responsive to how people actually use their phones. One of the biggest highlights expected in One UI 8.5 is deeper artificial intelligence integration. Samsung has already introduced Galaxy AI features in previous updates, but this new version could push those capabilities much further. Your phone may start learning your daily routine and offering suggestions based on your habits. For example, if you usually check the news, weather, and messages early in the morning, the system might automatically suggest those apps as soon as you unlock your device. It's a small change, but over time it could make your phone feel much more helpful and intuitive. Another major improvement may appear in Samsung's photo editing tools. Smartphones have become the primary camera for millions of people, and Samsung wants editing to be just as powerful as capturing the photo itself. One UI 8.5 could introduce enhanced AI editing features directly inside the Gallery app. Users might be able to remove objects from photos, expand the background, or reposition subjects using generative AI technology instead of complicated editing steps. These changes could happen in just a few seconds. Performance is another area where Samsung is expected to improve things. One UI 8.5 may bring better system optimization, allowing apps to open faster and run more smoothly. Switching between apps could feel more fluid, and multitasking features like split screen mode may become even more stable. These improvements might not always be obvious at first, but they can make the entire device feel faster in everyday use. Customization has always been one of Samsung's biggest strengths, and One UI 8.5 could expand it even further. The lock screen may become more customizable, allowing users to place widgets, change clock styles, and organize notifications in new ways. Instead of a simple lock screen, users might create a personalized dashboard showing weather updates, reminders, and upcoming calendar events. The quick settings panel could also see some improvements. Samsung may allow users to rearrange controls more freely and prioritize the settings they use most often. For example, toggles like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, hotspot, or screen recording could be placed exactly where you want them for quicker access. Samsung is also continuing to build its ecosystem of connected devices. One UI 8.5 may improve the way Galaxy phones communicate with tablets, laptops, and other Samsung products. Files stored on your phone could become instantly accessible on your tablet or laptop without needing to manually transfer them. This kind of seamless integration makes it easier to move between devices during work or daily tasks. Audio features might also improve in this update. One UI 8.5 could introduce enhanced audio broadcasting support, allowing your phone to share sound with multiple compatible devices at the same time. That means several people could listen to the same audio stream using different headphones. Connected to one phone, security and privacy remain a major focus for Samsung, and One UI 8.5 may introduce stronger protection tools. The update could include new safeguards designed to prevent malicious apps from accessing private information like verification codes or personal notifications. A built-in app lock feature may also allow users to secure specific apps with fingerprint, authentication, or passwords. Battery optimization is another area where users might see improvements. One UI 8.5 could introduce smarter battery tracking tools that show exactly which apps consume the most power throughout the day. The system may also automatically reduce background activity for rarely used apps, helping extend battery life. Visually, One UI 8.5 may bring subtle design refinements. Animations could become smoother when switching between apps or opening menus, giving the interface a more polished feel. Some system icons and interface elements might also receive small design updates that keep the software looking fresh without changing Samsung's familiar style. Even Samsung's built-in apps may receive improvements. The weather app could include updated graphics and clearer layouts, making forecasts easier to understand. Notifications might also become better organized, so users can quickly identify the alerts that matter most. Now, the question many Galaxy users are asking is when they will receive the One UI 8.5 update. Samsung usually releases new software versions first on its latest flagship devices, before gradually expanding the rollout to other models. That means recent Galaxy S series phones and foldable devices will likely be among the first to receive the update, followed by several mid-range Galaxy smartphones before the official release. Samsung typically launches beta testing programs that allow users to try new features early. These programs help Samsung gather feedback and fix potential bugs before releasing the final version worldwide. At the end of the day, One UI 8.5 might not completely redesign Samsung's interface, but the improvements happening behind the scenes could make a noticeable difference in everyday use. Smarter AI tools, deeper customization, stronger security protection, and improved ecosystem connectivity all work together to create a more powerful Galaxy experience. And if Samsung continues developing these ideas, future updates could make smartphones feel less like tools and more like intelligent assistants that truly understand